In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Robinhood debit card in the app. First, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed and that you're signed in to your account. A strong internet connection helps avoid errors during activation, so Wi-Fi or solid cellular data is a good idea. Once you're in, look to the bottom of the screen and tap the cash or spending icon. It's the one with the card symbol, and it takes you to your cash management area. On this screen, choose debit card or cash card. The wording can vary slightly, but both lead to the same place for activation. If you're asked whether you've received your card, tap yes. If your physical card hasn't arrived yet, hold off until it does. Activation is meant for a card that's in your hands. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Carefully type in the card number and expiration date exactly as they appear on the card. Some users may also see a field for an activation code. If you're prompted for one, enter it as shown on the card sticker or included insert. Do this in a private setting and avoid sharing or storing these details in screenshots. If the app asks you to create a PIN, choose a secure 4-digit PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid birthdays, repeating digits, or any number that's obviously tied to you. Memorize it instead of writing it down, and don't share it with anyone. After you've entered your information, review everything and confirm to activate the card. The app should show a success message or confirmation that your card is active. If you see an error, double-check the digits, make sure your app is updated, and try again on a stable connection. Once activated, your Robinhood debit card is ready for everyday purchases and ATM withdrawals. Give it a minute for systems to update, then consider making a small test purchase to confirm everything's working. You can also add the card to your mobile wallet for contactless payments if that's available to you. To help manage fees, check the app for any preferred ATM networks and use those when possible. For added security, explore the card settings to enable transaction notifications and use the card lock toggle if you ever misplace it. That's it, your card is good to go. If you run into issues that won't clear, use the help section in the app to contact support. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your newly activated Robinhood debit card.